My name is Mohsin. We are here to discuss on operators in C like arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment and ternary. Introduction to operators. Operators are special symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. They are categorized into different types based on their functionality. Common categories include arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, and ternary. Arithmetic operators used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. These are the symbols. This is for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Division also used to get quotient of two numbers. Modulus used to get remainder of two numbers. These are the examples. This is variable int c and this is the operation of addition a plus b. Same, this is for subtraction, this is for multiplication, this is for division to get quotient of two numbers, this is for modulus to get remainder of two numbers. Relational operators used to compare two values. These are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are the symbol. This is for equal to, this is for not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. These are the examples. This is for equal to if a equal to b. This is for not equal to if a not equal to b, if a greater than b, if a less than b, if a greater than equal to b, if a less than equal to b. Logical operators used to combine conditional expressions like logical and, logical or, logical not. These are the symbol. This is for logical and, this is for logical or and logical not. Example, if a greater than 0 and b greater than 0, then this will true. If a greater than 0 or b greater than 0, if any of both will be true, then condition will be true. Same, if a ternary logical not means if the value will be 0, then this condition will be true. If value will be 1, then this condition will be false. Logical not a means the condition will true if the value of a is equal to 0. Bitwise operators used to perform operations at the bit level like bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise not, left shift, right shift. These are the symbols bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise not, left shift, right shift. Example, C equal to A and B. C equal to A or B, C equal to A caret B, C equal to tilde. This operator also called as tilde used to convert its bit. C equal to A less A left shift by 2 bits. C equal to A right shift by 2 bits. Assignment operators used to assign values to variables like simple assignment, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign. These are the symbols: simple assignment, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign. This is for quotient and this is for remainder. Example: A 3 is assigning to A, 3 is adding to A, 3 is subtracting from A, 3 is multiplied by A, A is divided by 3, A is divided A is divided by 3 to get quotient, A is divided by 3 to get remainder. Ternary operator, a shorthand for if-else statement. Syntax: condition, question mark, expression 1, colon, expression 2. Semicolon is used to complete the instruction. So the syntax will be condition, question mark, expression 1, colon, expression 2. Example: int result equal to a greater than b. A greater than b, if condition will be true, then the value will be assigned, that is a. If a greater than b condition will be false, then value will be assigned b to the result variable. Summary: operators perform actions on variables and values, arithmetic, mathematical operations, relational comparison, logical conditional checks, bitwise operation on bits, assignment, assign values, ternary, shorthand, if else. Thanks. Comment if any query.